Intro. Post on camera. Host. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest car reviews. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse luxury SUV, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS63. And trust me, this one's a beast in a tailored suit. Let's get into it. Title screen. 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS63, the ultimate performance SUV. Exterior walkaround. Post voiceover. The 2025 AMG GLS63 carries that signature Mercedes-AMG presence, bold, athletic, and absolutely commanding on the road. The refreshed front grille, updated LED headlights, and aggressive bumper design set the tone. You've got 23-inch AMG wheels as standard, flared wheel arches, and a wide stance that screams performance. Post on camera. And let's not forget the subtle, yet menacing AMG badging and those quad exhaust tips. This thing doesn't just look fast, it is fast. Performance and engine specs. Post voiceover. Under the hood, we've got a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that pumps out a jaw-dropping 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift automatic transmission and 4MOTOR Plus all-wheel drive, this SUV rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 4 seconds. Post on camera. Yes, you heard that right, 4 seconds. For a nearly 6,000-pound SUV, that's just insane. Driving experience. Post voiceover. The 2025 GLS63 isn't just about raw power. The ride is refined, thanks to AMG Ride Control Plus with adaptive air suspension. It glides over rough roads and sharpens up instantly when you switch to Sport or Sport Plus mode. Post on camera. What's impressive is how it balances comfort and performance. You can cruise in absolute luxury, and then flip a switch to unleash the beast. The steering is precise, throttle response is instant, and the exhaust note, oh, that glorious AMG growl, it's music to any car lover's ears. Interior tour. Post voiceover. Step inside, and the GLS63 welcomes you with full AMG luxury. Napa leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and a panoramic sunroof are just the beginning. The dual 12.3-inch displays dominate the dashboard, one for the digital instrument cluster and the other for the MBUX infotainment system. Post on camera. You've got multi-contour massage seats, heated and ventilated in both rows, and even heated armrests. Rear seat passengers. They're not forgotten either. With optional executive second-row seating, you're looking at first-class travel on 4 wheels. Tech and features. Post voiceover. The tech package is stacked. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Burmester 3D surround sound, ambient lighting with 64 colors, and advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode. Post on camera. And of course, MBUX is as intelligent as ever. Voice commands, augmented reality navigation, and gesture controls make this one of the smartest cabins on the market. Practicality and cargo space. Post voiceover. The GLS63 might be a performance SUV, but it doesn't sacrifice practicality. You've got 3 rows of seating, with enough room for adults in the 3rd row, a rare thing in this segment. Behind the 3rd row, there's 17.4 cubic feet of cargo space, expanding to over 84 cubic feet with the seats folded. Post on camera. Whether it's a family road trip or a weekend getaway, the GLS63 handles it all with power and style. Price and verdict. Post on camera. Now, all this luxury and performance comes at a price. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS63 starts at around $145,000, and with a few options, you're looking at closer to $160,000. Post voiceover. But for what you get, brutal performance, unmatched comfort, and cutting-edge tech, it just might be worth every penny. Outro. Post on camera. Post. So there you have it, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS63. A luxury SUV that doesn't just haul passengers, it hauls ass. What do you think? Is it the ultimate performance SUV, or would you take something else in this price range? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and test drives. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome. Would you like this script formatted as a PDF or ready to use in a teleprompter?